In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any IFC file to FBX format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type IFC to FBX MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the IFC to FBX converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your IFC file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted FBX file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You just converted IFC to FBX in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.